Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Sony WH1000XM3, the feature touch control. From last 1 year I am using this device for 3 to 4 hours every day. So I'll give you my verdict whether this headphone is worth buying or not. Let's go. So this is the hard case cover. And this is the headphone. So the build quality is nice, design is nice, the ear cups are pretty good, the cushions are very nice to ears. The design wise I'll give 9 out of 10. I'll show you like how you are going to connect. So this is the NFC tag. So I'm using OnePlus 3T for connecting this device. So I'll show you. Bluetooth is on, NFC is on. You need to just tap in. See, it is connecting. So once connected, you can see this logo is coming, Bluetooth at the top, this one, and it is connected to XM3 100% battery. So I'm using Spotify for my music app. So top 50. So you can see this is the right side cup. I'll show you touch controls of this device on the right side ear cup. So I just play this. So if I'll do like this, the volume is going to increase. If I'll do like this, it will decrease. Actually, if you keep it, it will decrease. No need to do every time. If you keep it, it will increase. This is, you can see the next track will jump. Again, next track. If I do left, it will again jump from previous track. Double tap. Pause this song. Again double tap. Play the song. Suppose you want to talk to somebody without taking out the headphone, just keep the palm like this. It will stop the music. Then again it will continue the music. So I'll pause it as of now. Then next is I'm going to jump on the Sony Headphone app. So it is connecting. So from here you can play also. Then it is telling about the sound, the various feature here, equalizer, the position of the sound. Default it is taking like that, and this is the analyzer for 360-degree sound. So in this feature you need to take your selfie for your ear size so that it will automatically adjust the sound. And here the sound quality mode, like sound quality is the priority or the connection is the priority. I take in connection. Then go to system. This button, this physical button, you can use as a ambient sound control or Google Assistant or Alexa. so I choose on Google Assistant. So this is all about the app. I'll tell you the quality. The headphone quality is very nice. The flexibility is good. The ear cup cushions are good. Very nice to your ear. So I'll give my verdict towards this device. So this device is best in sounding, like the vocal is nice, the bass is punchy, the instrument is good. Overall the sound I'll give 9 out of 10. The sound quality is best, one step ahead competitor in the market. So as I'm using from last 1 year, my genuine review is whoever is looking for this device, just go for it. And it's really worth buying it because the battery backup, the fast charging feature, the touch panel, and all the things what you looking for in this best ANC device, you'll get it. So my verdict towards this device is a big thumbs up, and it worth buying it. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Thank you.